Okay, if we can come back then to the board, we'll just look at number 3 now, okay? I know some of you have gone on to number 4, but if we can just do one or two questions at a time as I let you know, okay? So if we look at number 3 then, so we'll mark number 3, it says circle the correct answer for each of the following statements, okay? Helen has bought one of the 80 tickets sold in a raffle. The probability that Helen wins the top prize in the raffle is, okay, so it's going to be one of these answers, okay. Now we've obviously spoken a lot about probability recently. Probability is usually given as a fraction or a decimal, okay. But here I think it's quite clear, isn't it? She's bought one ticket out of 80, so she's got one chance in 80. Now in terms of how we would write that, this would be the correct response. Okay, yeah, 1 over 80 will get you the mark there. Okay, it is important just to circle one of these. Okay, if you circle more than one, you won't get any marks. Okay, they're only expecting one answer. All right. Part B, one ball is selected at random from a box containing 5 blue balls, 4 red balls, 1 yellow ball. The probability that the selected ball is blue is one of these. Okay, so before even looking at the answers, okay, I'm not even going to look at the answers as such, I'm not going to focus on them, I'm just going to work out the answer myself, because I can do this, right? You can do this. One ball is selected at random out of all of these balls. So let's see how many balls are in the box to start with. You've got 5 blue, 4 red, and 1 yellow. So if you add them up, of course, you've got 5 plus 4 plus 1 is 10. So, if one ball is taken out, you'll have so many chances out of 10, okay? Now it depends what colour has been taken out. So they're asking the probability of it being blue, while 5 of the balls are blue, so you've actually got 5 chances. You've got 5 chances of picking out a blue ball. So that becomes 5 over 10, alright? Now, I'm going to look at the answers to see what 5 over 10 correspond to. Okay, now 5 over 10 isn't there, but if you look closely, you can see that you've got a fraction here that's equivalent to 5 over 10. Of course, you can simplify this fraction. Okay, 5 goes into both of them, so you could share the bottom by 5 and you get 2. Okay, because 5 goes into 10 twice, 5 goes into 5 once. So you've simplified the fraction. There's your answer. Part B then, it says a bag contains some red balls, green and black beads, some red, green and black beads. One bead is selected at random from the bag. The probability of selecting a green bead from the bag is 1/3. Okay. Now, some people think, when they see that, they think that there's 3 beads in the bag. When they see that, there's 3 beads in the bag and one of them is green. That doesn't mean this. It's talking about the probability. So what that is saying is, out of every 3 beads that are in the bag, one of them is green. Okay? There could be 300 beads in the bag. Okay? There could be 300 beads. But that would mean out of every 3, one of them would be green. So if you had 300, 100 of them would be green. Let's read this question then. Which of the following sets of beads could have been in the bag? So you can see here, you need to work out the chances, probability of each of these. So if we start with this one, and you can write your answer here. For it to be green, you've got 1 chance out of however many are there. Now I think there's 4 there if I add them up quickly. So you've got 1 in 4 chance of it being green. Obviously that is not going to apply. Okay? This one here, you've got 6 chances of them being green out of a total of, if we add these up, 9, 12. Okay? 6 over 12. Now those of you may notice you can simplify this to be 1/2. Okay? Because if you look closely, 6 goes into both of them. 6 goes into 6 once, to 12 twice. If you look at this one, you've got 3 of them are green. In total, there are 10, 3/10. Now you can try and simplify that, but you'll find that you won't be able to. Okay, nothing goes into 3 and 10 apart from 1. So there's your fraction. You still haven't got to a third yet. When you get to this one, you've got 4 chances of it being green out of a total. If we add them up, I think that comes to 12. Now we can simplify this. You can clearly see they're both even, so you'll be able to simplify it. What I would do is just try and work out what factor each of these have got, what common factor. 4 goes into both of them. 4 goes into 12 3 times. 4 goes into 4 once. There's your answer. It's come out as 1/3. You don't need to check the last one. Okay, if you're confident with this, if you checked it properly, you're done. So we're going to circle this one. Only one of them can be correct. Okay, perhaps what would be good